Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook password. The process for changing your Facebook password is largely consistent across desktop, iOS, and Android devices. However, if you're specifically looking for how to change Facebook password on Android, always ensure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed for the most up-to-date instructions. So, whether you're taking proactive measures or responding to potential concerns, updating your password is a simple yet effective step. Here's a detailed guide to help you change your Facebook password with ease. With the increasing reliance on mobile devices for our daily online activities, it's essential to know how to secure your Facebook account on the go. Whether you're using an Android device, here's how you can change your Facebook password. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture. Select Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Then tap Settings. Scroll to find Security and Login or Password and Security. Tap on it. Under the Login section, tap Change Password. Now, enter your current password, then your new password in both the new password and retype new password fields. And tap Update Password. Your password is now updated. And that's it. Remember, while changing your password is a great security measure, always consider additional protective steps like enabling multi-factor authentication for enhanced account safety. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.